So, funny story. I just realized that I drilled all these pocket holes and none of it was recorded. That is perfectly fine though. Again, you guys have seen me build cabinets on the channel quite a bit. So I think using the pocket hole jig is probably pretty standard. As for those of you guys who may have questions about the pocket hole jig, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll definitely answer any questions that you guys happen to have. Both these sides actually look pretty clean, so I don't think it matters too much. So the next thing I'm going to do is glue and tack on my little runner piece down here at the bottom. Oh. That scared the shit out of me. I just heard it beeping. We have the air cleaner up there. Let's see, glue bottle. Let's see, now I want this piece to be flush with the outside. Yeah, this is a pretty quick and dirty cabinet build. If I need to drive screws into this, I see it like pulling off or anything, then I will go ahead and drive some screws in from the bottom, but staples and glue will be more than enough. Again, this cabinet is never going to be under major wear and tear. It's not getting hung on the wall. It's literally just going to set up on the drill press, and the off occasion that it gets removed. This is the other. This is a bar. Let's see, now how do I want to do this the easiest way? I said 2 1/4. So if we go 2 5/8, that will definitely clear. Oh, in case they're sagging things, let's just go 2 3/4. The reason I'm raising up the bottom shelf is because the drill press has like that base that the actual drill press is sitting on. So when this slides up underneath my cleat, I need to make sure my bottom shelf has that clearance for the thickness of the drill press base. So I could go ahead and hook this together now, and then I'll see how much space I have up here, and I'll go ahead and add my actually no, before I do that, we're gonna have 3/4 there and 3/4 here. So Alright, so future editing Kevin here, and this next little spiel is me trying to debate whether or not I want to run all my runners on the inside of the cabinet before I assemble it, because I was debating on space and having room to nail stuff. I have plenty of room, and it'll be a lot easier once I actually size the runners, so I decided not to. One thing I can give you guys is a little tidbit. I just got a joiner and my hand tool bench is almost completely assembled, so I have a lot more content coming forward for you guys. But let's get back to this build and start assembling the drill press cabinet. The best way to assemble this, I need clamps. That piece is 18 inches, so like a 2-foot clamp should do it. That's the basic carcass for the drill press cabinet. We're gonna build drawers and everything else for the inside tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll move on to our next project inside the shop. But if you guys, actually no, before I sign out, let's see how it looks over there on top of the drill press. So beautifully, she's gonna work out just how I planned it. Take her, you slide her on. Oh, let me look from over top. And you can slide all the way back. Again, I was using scraps. I wanted to go the full distance of this. More than likely, I'll probably make it stop here and add some stops on this rail. Still gives me plenty of room to actually lower the drill press. You know, because I need to drill something wider, and then if I ever need to remove it, it just simply slides off. That's actually pretty cool. And I might actually add, I'm thinking, just add an open tray down here. Just something, you know, add like a little 1-inch lip or something all the way around here. And then that will allow me to throw commonly used bits and stuff right here. But it definitely is going to need a stop just to keep it from coming all the way off. I can imagine while I'm trying to pull out a drawer. But yeah, tomorrow we'll fill in the drawers, get this all situated, might sand it, might put some finish on it. But again, the goals for today was to get this and these drawers done, and the mobile base. We have all the above. The drill press can now be slid around the shop. I can unplug it and pretty much take it anywhere else. If I wanted to pull it all the way to the front of the shop, I can. And this will give me the ability to kind of store all the miscellaneous items that, you know, can actually go with the drill press all here on the drill press. It's always the small things and the small changes that, you know, I come to like appreciate the most. One thing that I really do appreciate is for you guys sticking around to the end. And for those of you guys who did, I'm going to start sneaking in pictures or videos, little clips of stuff that we're working on in the shop currently. So for you guys who stuck around, let me know down in the comments, leave me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.